Okay, now let's go and create our categories section. Start with a comment, categories, there you go. That's not how to spell category, Blaine. All right, there you go. Categories. And let's start this new section off where we got a section, class equals categories. All right, very good. Just get a little indent in there. And now inside of categories, we're going to create a smaller container, div class equals small container. There you go. We'll have our own separate styles for that. And then we've already styled out row, so we're gonna give this div the class row equals row, so we don't need to style it again. Row. Awesome. Inside of this row, we're going to have 3 columns. So div equals class equals 3 columns. So column 3. And we're going to have a picture in each of these columns. So img src equals, first you got to do the folder it's in, images, and now category, and that'll be number 1. Good. We can save that, and then we just have that one picture right there. I want 3 columns. Copy, paste, paste, and then now we can see 3 of our pictures. Let's change the pictures out. Category 2, category 3, save that. Boom, boom, boom. Very good. Okay, that right there is all we want in our category section, so let's go ahead and style that. So we can go to this, so we don't have to do it again. Copy that comment, paste, and let's go categories. The more organized you are in the front end, the easier it'll be for you to make edits later. So, first thing we got is categories. Dot, boom, curly braces. And let's give it a margin of top and bottom 70 px, and then right to left 0. There you go, got some space at the top. And now let's style our small container a bit. Right here, small container, period, curly brace, small container, max width. We're going to go 1080 px, margin auto, and padding 0 space 25 px semicolon. Very good. All right. Now let's target our columns. So we got call 3. We can copy that. We don't need to do rowing again because we did it already up there. Dot call curly braces, boom. And we're going to go flex basis, which we want to be 30% because we're splitting it up into thirds. min width, we want it 250 px. And as you're designing your own site, you just gotta play around with the pixels to see what size you want. That's how I found out 250 px. Margin bottom, let's get some space. And from the bottom, px, we'll go 30 px right here. All right, and now let's organize the images. Let's resize those images. IMG in column 3, and let's go width 100% within that 30% flex basis. Boom, nicely done. There, that's our category section. 1, 2, 3. So now let's go ahead and move to our featured products. So we'll go copy this here under our section tag, and let's go feature products. And we're gonna go small container. So div, give it a class equals small container. We'll use those same styles that we put in there. Awesome. And inside of that, let's go H2. H2. This is a smaller header. And we'll give this class title. There you go. And this title will be featured products. Featured products. Save. So if we go down, see at the bottom, featured products. All right. Now, I'm going to create a row. So div class equals row. And inside of this row, I want 4 columns. So I'm going to label that call 4. See? All right. We're going to go 4 columns in here. We're going to build our first one first, and then we'll be able to copy it. So I want IMG src equals, got to get the folder, images / and we're going to put our product 1, our first product there. And then we can close that. Save, and there, boom, our first product. It's a red t-shirt. Okay, so now, under that product, we're gonna make it an H4 to give the title of the product. H4, and we'll go red t-shirt. Red t-shirt. Printed t-shirt. There. See at the bottom of our picture, red printed t-shirt. All right. Now, what we can also do is let's give this t-shirt a rating. Like how awesome this product is. And let's go class equals rating. Okay. And inside the rating, we'll rate it with stars. And we're going to use something called Font Awesome. So if you open up a new tab and go Font Awesome, you'll be able to create a free account. And within this account, you'll end up making a kit. you want to copy this script, this JavaScript down, copy, and then at the bottom of your HTML, just on top of your body tag, that's where you'll link it. You'll link that kit that you had and save it right there. And then you'll be able to go to icons and then search up different icons that you can use for your website. Right now we're going to go star, this full star right here, and you can copy that, and we'll put that, tab, inside of our ratings. Let's do it 5 times. 1, 2, 3. Actually, just 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So if you see our site, boom, oops, cancel. We'll save it right here. We got our 3 stars. Next, let's give it a half star. Whoops. Half star. Okay. Right here. Copy that. And then let's give it an empty star. Let's see. Go star right here. Like just a regular empty star. Good. Save. Now let's check it out. Here's our rating. 3 stars, half, empty. Good, good. All right. And under here, let's put a price. We'll go paragraph tag. Whoops. Paragraph tag, and it'll be $39. Save. Good. 39 bucks. All right. So I said I want 4 columns. So right here where it says column 4, all the way under our price, copy, enter, paste. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. So now it shows 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm going to style this first before we start changing up the images. So if you go to style.css, so it'll be easy to see the changes that we make. These are our features. And let's start with column 4. Dot, paste, column 4, curly braces. And we're going to go flex bias. Because we got 4 columns, we're going to do 25%. Flex bias, 25%. Padding, 10%, or 10px, which is padding on all 4 sides. Whoops. Okay. Min width will end up being 200px. Go ahead and save that. Boom, boom, boom. Got them all beside each other. And then margin bottom, we'll get some space at the bottom. And we'll go 50px. Save. Okay. And now, we're going to go right here, copy this column 4. We want to get the image within the column 4. So the IMG. And let's go width 100% so that we can see the whole picture within the 25% flex bias. Boom. There you go. We got our 4 products here. We'll change out those pictures in a second. What I want to do is, so you see right here, it's just very static. So I learned how to make it kind of float. So to do so is go ahead and get this, copy, paste, and then make the pseudo class hover, curly brace, and then you use transform, 2 dots, translate, and we're going to use the y-axis, -5px. Good. Transform. So now with this transform in our column 4, we'll go here, then we'll put transition, and then calling this transform, we want this to happen in 0.5 seconds. Good. Now let's check it out. Hold on. All right. It's got to be smoother than that. Transition. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Transform. There we go. Good. Now it should be smooth. See how it floats? There you go. All right. Good job. Now that looks nice. Okay, now to make it realistic, we're not going to sell 4 of the same products. Go to here. We got product 1. Go to our second one, product 2. Next, product 3. Next, product 4. Then you can make up names for them. We got red printed t-shirt. Next one, you see we got some shoes. They have HRX on it. So HRX speeds. Call them that. Speeds. And then we can call this one gray joggers. And here, blue printed shirt. Of course, there are going to be some different prices. So maybe like $49, maybe $87, and then $45. Boom. Nice. And then as you see, look at that. That nice cool float. Makes it more appealing. All right. Now let's get back to our styles. Okay. So now this title, we've given it a title class. So let's go dot title, and we'll go curly braces, and it's going to be text align center. Good. Text align center, margin 0, that's the top. Auto would be right and left, and then 80 px semicolon will be the bottom. So now we have some space in the bottom. Enter, we want the position to be relative. All right, position relative, line, height, 60 px. Go ahead and save that. And then let's keep our color consistent with that smooth gray. I want to keep that site consistent. Very good. And now we're going to create a line that goes under it. So we'll go boom, after, using a pseudo class, after, and we don't need it to say anything, so content, just here. Very good. And the background will be this color. And width go 80 px. Boom, and the height 5 px, and the border radius 5 px. All right. And now position will be absolute. All right, so this is what we're gonna end up putting under our title. So now we gotta just adjust it. So we want the bottom, and then it'd be 0. And then left will be 50%. And transform, translate x, and it'd be negative 50%. Okay? Good, so now it's right under it. It's a nice little title portion of it. Very good. So now, let's style our H4s right here. So there's a type selector, H4, that's what it's considered. H4. Keep our color consistent. There you go. And font weight will be normal. Very good. Nicely done. Now let's style that paragraph like our numbers. So call for P, curly brace, very good. And let's organize the size, make it a little smaller. And that'll be 14 px, semicolon. Nice, nice. It's looking good, looking good. And now let's get our ratings to not be so bland, but give it some color. So rating, curly brace here, and we're gonna go color consistent. Very good. All right, there you go. We got our categories, 1, 2, 3, and then we got our feature products, 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. And we got a nice, cool floating animation for us. Cool? Here, I'll go over it just in case you missed anything. Categories and our feature products. And then categories and our feature products. Smooth. Very good. All right, next we'll go into all of our products.